This is Lesson 5, Securing a Document, on page 115. In
this lesson, you will suppress information, set formatting and editing restrictions, and restrict document access. After you finalize your document by adding reference tables and other features that give your document polish, you may want to distribute it to others. Before you do that, you need to know that any sensitive information has not been saved with the file, and to take measures to prevent unauthorized access or changes to the contents of the document. So topic A on page 108 is suppressing information. You have seen that Word saves key information about each document with the file, such as the author and company name. While generally you want to share this metadata with other users, there are times when you might not want to share this information with others. Before you share or distribute documents, you need to consider how to restrict access to the content and remove confidential information from a document. Dealing with sensitive information can be handled in a couple of ways. One way is to hide the text from being displayed. Alternatively, you can strip the sensitive information and document properties from the file itself. So first we'll take a look at how to hide text. Hidden text is a character format that conceals the formatted text unless it is intentionally displayed. Hidden text is used to conceal confidential and sensitive text in a document when it is printed or displayed on the screen. Instead of creating different versions of the same document for different audiences, you can simply hide text that one audience shouldn't see. The material remains in the document to be displayed at an appropriate time. Hidden text also can prevent specific text from printing, such as the answers on a test or notes on a presentation handout. Although Word doesn't display hidden text, Word does search hidden text when you search a document. So again, hidden text does not remove it from the document, it just hides it from view on screen and also from being printed. So suppose I wanted to hide the first two paragraphs of my example document here. I first want to select the text, go up to my Home tab, and I'm going to launch my Font dialog box launcher. In my dialog box, I want to make sure that I'm on my Font tab, and down in the Effects section, I'm going to check off Hidden. Click OK, and you can see I'm left with one paragraph here. If I go to my Print Preview, File, and Print, it's only going to print that one paragraph that's shown on screen. But if I do want it displayed, of course, I can always hide it by doing the opposite of what I just applied, but you can also quickly go to your Home tab, Paragraph Command Group, and if I activate my Show Hide button, look at that. It displays the paragraphs and it has dotted lines underneath all of the sentences there. So you can display it on screen just by activating or deactivating that Show Hide button. If when I have it on screen, I go to my Print Preview, you can see it's still not going to print for you. It's still considered hidden text. So if you wanted it to print, you would need to select that text again, go back into your Font dialog box, and uncheck Hidden. Now you can see no longer get that underlining of the text, and if I go to my Print Preview, now it will print out on the pages for you. Okay, so
Your next video will be Activity 5.1 on page 117.